So reason, this is for backtesting. Reason for taking this trade, that on weekly we mark the area of interest, which is this. Whenever we are above, we are buying, we buying, we buying. So this is the best area of interest. Also, this structure is also coming. So I was waiting for week into this area of interest. Also, it will also week into EMA, and it is going to go up. On the other hand, the daily was the candle start from Monday. So I was like, I need to create the higher low before it create the higher high. So I waited for one candle. Then I also, it was not an higher low. I also waited for one more candle for creating the higher low. Then on the Wednesday, then I started to look for the entries on Wednesday. So here we go. Drop down to the 4 hours. Wednesday, yeah, here we go. So Wednesday the candlesticks was here, and I was like, I can't buy over here. It needs to fill this gap, this and this. So I was like, it still over here also we can't buy because this is bit gappy. I want this candlestick close over here. So lastly, candlestick close over here, and then we created the doji. The candlestick closes over here. Then it started at 9:30. Sorry, 19:30. If we go down at 19:30, we can probably see that after 30 minutes, 19:30 creation was this Wednesday 19:30. 30 minute was super bearish. I didn't like to take the trade when 30 minutes is bearish. I was waiting for 30 minutes to go bullish. So we got the lower low, and this got the break. This is the higher high, this is the higher low. We can easily take this trade, but look at the time. It's almost midnight. We don't take the trade. So I was waiting for the 6:30 opening, and here we go, 6:30 opening. We got the trade over here, but I would definitely wait for the retracement up till here because it will also retrace the EMA. But if I could wait for the retracement, I will miss this trade technically, because if I'm waiting for the retracement, if my stop loss is going to be here, I must be wait for the retracement. If my stop loss is below this structure, I can take without retracement. That I can consider that. But before I take the trade, I have check on the 4 hours. Does we have any bullish structure? And if we see, we have the bullish structure. The doji, the engulfing candle on the 4 hours. Then we started creating this candle, and we were about to close this candle because at 7:30 it was going to close. So we took the beautiful trade. This is a stop loss, and I am considering the stop loss with the wicks of the 1 hour, 4 hour, and whatever 1 hour this, because market has come there. um, yeah, so this is the week, and if I'm taking this trade, what will be the take profit? So the take profit is going to be the next structure, which is very probably this is the next structure. Also, I was having one bit doubt that the EMA is bit closer, so I will look for the candlestick closure on the EMA. Then we'll be having engulfing candle, then we can easily go up. But the thing is, when this is going to happen, when the area of interest is like this, then we should be wait for the candlestick closure. But if we are doing this on the area of interest or inside the area of interest, it's completely okay, and that's completely fine. We can easily take the trade on the area of interest. Can we tweak the area of interest? Absolutely not, because this is the area of interest on the weekly. We must respect on the weekly's time frame. So yeah, this is a trade. This is a reason for taking the trade, and we did the profit in this trade. Technically, this was a beautiful trade. I'm closing this.